Hey guys, I'm sorry it's been so long since my last video, but I have something serious to tell you. So when I had some fireworks yesterday, and they were absolutely crazy. Let me get these out real quick. I got these, and I got these, and I got these, and I got these, and I got those, and we made sock bubbles. Yeah, and I don't know if my sock is still wet. It's kind of wet. We're supposed to make sock bubbles today. Let me make some sock bubbles in the bathroom. Let me show you what they look like. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready for the granny for now? Here's some bubbles. So yeah, that's how it's supposed to work. Thank you for these ice cubes. If you want some, comment down below. They're at the store, okay? If you want some, comment down below. They're at any kind of store, okay? If you like ice cubes. If you like fishing, comment down below, and that's going to be fun. If you want to come, if you're in Oklahoma, comment down below right now, because we want some likes, and send us some fan mail, okay? Because we want some fan mail, a lot. Don't give us like ugly pictures. I want some nice fan mail. Like nice fan mail for me and my brother, Landon. And this is the reason why Mike is not here in Oklahoma, because this is the reason, because Mike and Mom were fighting, and then they got into a divorce. And this is the reason why I'm here, because my stepdad threw me across the living room and in my room and on the street. Yes, I'm still okay, but give us 60 million likes for this video.